Hey guys, it's been long since I've made a YouTube video, so hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my new project that is Smart Mirror. It has got lots of features, so let's get into it without any delay. Hello, I'm sorry for this condition, but this is the best way that I can show you my mirror right now. So let's talk about the features first. It has got date and time over here. It has got calendar over here, and this calendar gets updated with the calendar on my phone. Like, so if I add any event to my Google Calendar, it will get updated over here too. And it also has all the Indian holidays, and I have also installed Google Assistant in this. It gets news from RSS feed, and it also has weather over here along with future predictions. I can also cast my YouTube videos from my device to the mirror, and it can control any IoT device with Google Assistant, so I can control my home light or any smart devices that I have. That's it for the features. Okay, so now let's get into the hardware part of the project. This project uses one LCD screen that I removed from this old laptop. Shout out to my uncle for giving this to me. And then I have this Raspberry Pi, which is actually the brains of the mirror. I have a mic over here, which I've hot glued. And then I have this controller board. Controller board is connected to the display and then to the Raspberry Pi. Controller board is actually for the screen, because when you remove any display from any laptop or monitor, I guess you need a controller board to connect it with any other devices. So one thing about the controller board is that right now I've connected it with the Raspberry Pi via HDMI. I can also connect it with my laptop, and it looks pretty sick because it's a mirror and then there is a display. It looks too good. Yeah, and then you can see two power cables running out. That's it. That's the hardware. Also, shout out to Aditya Shah for making this wooden frame. So let's talk about how it's showing on the other side. So basically this is a one-way mirror. Like, as you can see, it's pretty transparent from this side, but when you look from the other side, you can see perfectly. So that's how one-way mirror works. And here I have my display, two-way tape with the mirror. Therefore, whenever there is anything on the display, it just gets to the other side of the glass. That's it.
So guys, now let's talk about the main part of the project, that is the tool that I use, and it's called Magic Mirror. It is actually a browser-based program that launches your mirror in a browser, and it's a whole website. So basically your mirror is a website in which there are many different modules. They have the GitHub guide on how to install Magic Mirror. They also have many modules. Like, the modules that I've used is one is for YouTube and another one is for the Google Assistant. Both are available over here, and there are also many other modules available that have their instructions over here, and it's pretty well supported by the community too. So that's it, guys. It's that easy to make yourself a smart mirror at home.
Jarvis, turn off the light. So I turned off my room ka light, and Jarvis, turn on the light. Thank you.
So guys, if you liked the video, don't mind pressing the thumbs up button, and also consider subscribing to the channel, because that would be great. And if you find it cool, then consider sharing this video with your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this project, please post it down in the comment box. I will be out there to help you guys. And peace out until next time.